Alright, I am not going to do an opening or anything for this video because this is a tutorial for a friend of mine that involves Most Digital Creations, where you can get the most free stuff for DAWs 3D. You can get pinup poses, models, clothing, all kinds of stuff from this page. Right now, I'm going to tell you how to put this into your DAWs programming files. Okay, those of you who actually do watch my videos on here, my friend Allison recently started doing DAWs 3D, and in order to make the most out of everything without spending a bunch of money, you need to go to external sites to get their free things in order to make better stuff. Right now I'm going to show everybody who watches this video how to get the free stuff after you've downloaded it from Most Digital Creations, which has the largest library of free things outside of DAWs Studios. Okay, using 7-zip, not the normal extractor, go to Extract Files and just click Extract. It'll drop it into your downloads. Then, when you want ready to move it, you go to it, you take Data, move it to, I will bring this up, this is where you'll find it, Windows, Users, Public Documents, My DAWs Library, and then you save it to My DAWs Library. You probably should do this with everything that came with it. So, everything right here gets moved to My DAWs Library, which, after you do it the first time, should start showing up on your list of places that you move it. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Really depends on how much stuff you actually do. But it will automatically bring it up when you do the thing, so there you go, Allison. That's how you do it. I'm probably going to do quite a few of these mini tutorials just so that Allison gets the help. Don't forget to, Allison, erase the whole thing when you are done. Every bit of it. There is no reason to keep it around. Anyways, I will probably continue to do these tutorials, mini tutorials, to show her things, and I figured I'd just add it to the website, to my YouTube. I will probably start doing actual major content videos again here next month after the new year. Most of the reason that I stopped is because I did a hell of a lot of experimenting over the summer with different things that I could make. Gotten completely out of the toys, but I will be doing several there is several videos that I've already shot that I will be editing and putting together in the next couple of weeks. So expect me to start putting up more content again after the new year. Thanks. Have fun.